creating data fabric by leveraging AI data in your media workflow. We have several methods to manage data, as well as sources to pull metadata from within the Primestream asset management platform. Our market-leading solutions are truly flexible, scalable, and highly compatible across platforms and infrastructures. In relation to the data fabric, maintaining all this data, having it accessible and easy to work with, helps ensure efficiency and creativity throughout the content supply chain. In this example, we have an asset that contains tags, a status, locations, as well as ratings. By having all this data easily accessible, producers, editors, and media managers can leverage it to automate workflows or to manage a workflow from beginning to end. The AI data that's processed from this clip also provides a whole new area of capabilities within a media workflow. With Elastic Data Viewer, users can enrich their content with facial and object recognition, speech-to-text transcription, sentiment analysis, and more. Then is provided with a visual representation of where that AI data lives in a timeline view. So in this case, we have faces that we can identify. We can edit any of the names, adjust the start times and end points, as well as update any of the transcript data that came back. So when this video is previewed, we can now make corrections, view the AI data in a timeline view, and even bring this directly into an edit platform. Next, we're going to leverage AI data in an edit workflow. In this example, we've imported the asset using our extension panel for Adobe Premiere Pro. When I double-click on the clip here, we can see the transcripts, the speakers, the markers, everything outlined along this timeline based on when they happened. When I bring this clip into my edit sequence, all that metadata transfers over. An editor could then leverage all this metadata to easily identify areas in the clip that could be used in the story. Ingesting media and adding to the data fabric. Whether your assets are being registered or imported into your MAM or PAM via a file-based workflow, or in this example, live feeds from an IP source, the initial set of metadata we add is very important to maintain throughout the entire lifecycle of an asset or production. In our Clip Ingest module, we are able to preview and record these live feeds. The same recorded feed can then be used in an edit workflow as a growing file, sent to archive, or brought into a new production to be assembled into a project. So whether you're adding ingest notes, additional keyword tags, duration information, descriptions, markers, or subclips, all of this metadata adds to your data fabric and critical to maintaining an optimized workflow. Layers of metadata and project dashboards. Every asset that is registered into our asset management platform has metadata. To drive a powerful and efficient content creation workflow, our customers have found a process for that lifecycle from beginning to end. For that, we have our projects, and these projects allow us to manage collections of assets across different file types, project sequences, and versions. So in this case, this project, Highlights 1, also has its unique set of metadata. Now, in order to tie into that data fabric, we need to do more than just have the data from the asset and project. We also need to manage this information across the content supply chain. Project dashboards allow us to manage and see all the different projects that are in process from a high level. It shows us what their status is, what their percentage of completion is, as well as if there's any due dates that are needed. In these two examples here, Project Temp 2 and Project Highlights 1, we could dive deeper into each one of these and inspect the project and its status. Projects can have several steps before it's complete, so we make sure we provide our users a way to see all these insights at every step of their workflow using project dashboards. We're more committed than ever to developing systems that optimize your workflow to help unleash your media creativity. For more than 20 years, Primestream has helped customers in India tackle their most complex production workflow challenges. 3 prime examples are the National News Channel, ABP, Sun TV, and Asianet. ABP News is now successfully using Primestream's full end-to-end production solution platform in its headquarters in Noida, as well as at the regional stations in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, and Kolkata. Sun TV is currently operating more than 70 channels with Primestream master control automation from the Chennai facility. And Asianet has trusted Primestream as its primary technology partner for over 10 years.